In this video, I'm going to show you how to read your Google Play Books on a PC. Start by opening any web browser on your computer and make sure you're signed into the same Google account where your books are stored. In the search bar, type Google Play Books and press Enter. Click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Google Play Books homepage. From here, click on Your Library at the top. This will show you all of the books that are linked to your account, whether they are audiobooks, PDFs, or ebooks. To read any of them, simply click on the book cover. Let's look at how to read different types. If it's an audiobook, clicking on it will show you all the chapters along with their durations. Click on any chapter to start listening. If you want to bookmark a spot, move the player to that section and click on the bookmark icon. Later, you can go to the bookmark section to quickly jump back to these saved points. For PDFs, like comics, you can click on the Display Options icon at the top to adjust how the pages appear. For example, you can choose to view 2 pages at once or change it to a single page. If you want to bookmark a specific page, just go to that page and click the bookmark icon at the top. Then you can find it easily under the Bookmarks tab. Similarly, for ebooks, once you open it, you can use the slider at the bottom to quickly navigate to any page. Click on the Contents icon to see all chapters and jump directly to one. The bookmark process is the same for ebooks, and you can later view all your bookmarks or chapters from the Contents section. This is how you can easily read all your Google Play Books on your PC.